Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Infinity Crate. Infinity Crate is a crate filled with geeky stuff, collectible toys, t-shirts sometimes. I think most times they have t-shirts, and that's it. So it's been okay. I'll post the prices. I will post the prices below. And if you're interested in getting one, get one. I'm not sure if they have like an affiliate program where you refer people, but I'll post a link to their website. So subscribe for 12 months, and they've been okay. You know, it's different than Lootcrate. They always come on time, very timely. So when they say they're gonna come on time, they will be here on time. The only thing that's a drawback, I don't know if that's just me, when they email you, they say your Infinity Crate's on the way. I'm in the US and they're mailing it from UK, I think. So I said, can I have a tracking number? Oh, we don't provide that. So I'm like, that's kind of weird, because if I order something on eBay and it's coming from China, it's like a $2 item, they give you a tracking number. So I don't know, but either way, I haven't had one lost or anything. So this is an Infinity Crate for April 2018. Enough talking. Let's get this box opened. I had my energy drink. Okie dokie. Okay, so in this month's box we have stuff and things. Okay, it looks like a pop. We have a pop figure. That's cool. But first off, let me try the t-shirt. It's either a dual color t-shirt or we have two t-shirts. So looks like we have two t-shirts. One thing with Infinity Crate's t-shirts, I think 100% of the time they're knockoffs. There's something that you would pick up at your local swap meet or something like that, but they're okay. I mean, they always send you two at least, so, and they're decent quality. The designs are not the best, but here's the first one. So is this, what is this, Rick and Morty, or who is this? Looks like Rick and Morty. That's the design. And here's the tag. It's printed on Gildan heavy cotton. I love the Gildan light cotton. Those are the best. So I'll try this on in a second. Let me just show off the second t-shirt. The second t-shirt is Avengers, black and white. Okay, it's not bad. Actually, I'm impressed with this design. It's actually pretty nice. I'll definitely wear it. The t-shirt's lighter than the other one. Let me see. Oh, it's still heavy cotton, but it feels lighter. Huh, I don't know why. So here's the design of the t-shirt. Okay, let me try it on. Should I try the black one or white one on first? Doesn't matter. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, let's try the black one. Okay. Okay, so here's the first one. I think this is Rick and Morty. I do not watch Rick and Morty. So those of you who are Rick and Morty fans, don't roast me too bad. But I don't know. I might start watching it tonight, because I had it on the queue yesterday. But I don't know. The print on this thing is heavy. Yeah, this is definitely heavy. Not the kind of t-shirt I like, because you can feel it. Like every time you bend down, you can feel it. I dislike those prints very much. So this t-shirt, not so nice. The design might be okay, but it's like when it's hot out, you're gonna be sweating, because this doesn't let any air through. And the t-shirt itself is kind of heavy. Not the softest, but it's okay. Okay, let me try the other t-shirt. Okay, so this is the second t-shirt. Print, you can barely feel it. The t-shirt's much softer. I don't know, they're both heavy prints, but the t-shirt just feels much softer, so maybe it's just me. But the print, you can barely feel it, so I like this t-shirt 10 times more than the other one. But the other one's okay, but this one definitely hit her. Okay, next item. We have, what is this? Light Force 2-in-1. Action Light Darth Vader. It's a miniature saber. Miniature lightsaber. Should I take it out of the box? Ah, what the heck. Let me take it out. This is what it looks like. I guess you can get different colors. Let's take it out. You can use it as a LED light when you wake up in the middle of the night. Oh, what just happened? It just disappeared. So, how does it work? Ah, okay. Oh, cool. Is this a keychain? Let me try to force this in and then break it. Oh, it's supposed to be. Ah, okay. So this is how it works. When you keep this button pressed up, it's supposed to jump up and lock in place, like this. And then the light lights up. But it doesn't lock in place always. No, it didn't. Oh, so as long as you hold it up. Nope. Finicky. It's okay. It's a keychain for a little kid. I think it could be cool, as long as they don't put it in their mouth and choke on it. Let's see what the age restriction is. 3 and above. So a 4-year-old, you can stick it in your mouth and choke on it. Yeah, I wouldn't give this to a 4-year-old, definitely. That's okay. It's cheesy at best. Next item, we have mini Batman logo light. Oh, cool. I may like this if I have to call Batman for help. Hopefully it comes with batteries. Probably not. But let's see. Having technical difficulties here. Let's take this thing out. Ah, I need a screwdriver. And it's like scratched up already. See the scratches on the side? But it looks cool. Let me grab a screwdriver real quick. Got my handy dandy screwdriver set. Which one are you? Just gonna eyeball it. Hey. 3 AAAs. Okay. Sorry guys, this has taken about 30 minutes longer than I expected. Always make sure the polarity on your batteries is correct. Otherwise, you can damage the device or blow up the batteries. I've done that before. That's why I know. Learn from your experience, right? Or you should always learn from your friends' experiences, but It doesn't always work. Okay, so here's the light. No, you can't see it. Can you guys see it? Well, trust me, it turns on. Oh, now you can see it. Pretty cool. Actually, I like this thing. I think it's pretty cool. Not for me, but for like a little kid, I think it'd be pretty cool. Okay, next item we have, what is this? Beauty and the Beast Lumiere. Ah, this is an awesome, awesome figure. Probably not exclusive, but nonetheless. Let me take him out. Without damaging him too much. Oh, he's awesome. With my luck, I'll break something. So check this out. Pretty sweet. I like this. Truly, truly like it. Okay, what's next? That's it. What is this? It's just a Mario poster? Mario Luigi poster, right? That's what I'm guessing. But it's not big enough to be a poster. So, what is this? Instructions for Breaking Bad Blue Crystal Meth Rock Candy. Yeah, that's gonna go over well with YouTube. So if you want the instructions, here they are. Pause the camera. Pause the video. Now I'll zoom in, and that way you can read it. Okay, that's it. Oh, I'm Pickle Rick, so we got a sticker as well. One final thing, sticker from Rick and Morty, I'm guessing. So, what would I give this box overall? The pop, the really cheap lightsaber. This is like a fill-in almost. Batman, 2 t-shirts. I'll give this box a 7 out of 10 because the t-shirts are actually, this t-shirt's awesome. The other one's okay. Batman light I do like, and I love this pop. This pop is awesome. I don't even care how much it costs. It's probably like $2 on Amazon or eBay. But no, it's actually really nice. So let me know what you guys think of it. Oh, and we got the, who can forget the Blue Crystal Meth Rock Candy? That's another point. But maybe I'll try to make this one of these days, and you guys can watch the video if you're interested. I'll have to bring all my cooking utensils down here and to make this. Okay. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you don't, smash the dislike button. And if you dislike it, tell me why, so that way I can improve or whatever I'm doing wrong. And if you don't like, let me know. If you're subscribed, thank you for watching and subscribing. If you're not, consider subscribing because there's a lot more videos coming and they're gonna be freaking awesome, okay? Oh, one more thing, I almost forgot. I have a gift card to whoever's still watching, and if you haven't logged off yet and you're still watching, you're the lucky winner. So you get $5 gift card certificate. Go to your Amazon account, log in, and then /redeem, or go on your mobile phone and use the app to scan this code. Here you go. Okie dokie. If you claim this gift card, let me know, and just post a comment below. Say, hey, I got it. I got lucky. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.